तो वर्तमान चलते जावा केंद्र गृह एवं स्वास्थ्य विभाग मिलित सांबादिक सम्मेलन परिसर को।
कुमार कुंदन, TV9 भारतवर्ष।
मेरा सवाल लव अग्रवाल सर से है। सर एक बात बताएं कि पिछले एक दिन की जो बात हो रही है उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा डेथ्स देखे गए हैं, और कुछ अगर स्पेसिफिक राज्यों की बात करें तो वहाँ और भी ज़्यादा, मतलब मैं पश्चिम बंगाल और दूसरी जगह की बात कर रहा हूँ, और क्या ये बहुत ज़्यादा फैल रहा है, कम्युनिटी की तरफ जा रहा है?
सर जैसे मैंने आपको इससे पहले भी बताया है कि कुछ स्टेट से जब हमारे को केसेस टाइम पर रिपोर्ट नहीं हुए, डेथ रिपोर्ट नहीं हुई, तो हमने उनको परसुएट किया और उसके तहत ही केसेस रिपोर्ट हुए, जिसके कारण ही सडनली आप डेथ की संख्या में इंक्रीज आज नोट कर रहे हैं। लेकिन इसके साथ ही ये भी हम सबको समझना होगा कि जो हमारे कंटेनमेंट एफर्ट्स फील्ड में आज काम कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह से हमने स्टेट्स को और स्टेट्स के साथ साथ जिले के अधिकारियों को गाइड किया है कि वो जहाँ पर भी केसेस आए वहाँ कंटेनमेंट जोन बनाएं और स्पेशल टीम्स के जरिए हाउस टू हाउस सर्च करके उन केसेस को ट्रैक करें और उन केसेस को कंट्रोल करें। तो अभी इस सिचुएशन में बहुत जरूरी है कि इसी एफर्ट को हम उसी कंटिन्यूड विगर के साथ करते रहें।
मिस्टर रूबिन Malayalam.
Regarding rapid antibody test kits, you already we have already pre-ordered kits. What is the status of that, and will you further take up the rapid antibody test?
Sir, rapid antibodies test issue had already been explained in greater detail by ICMR. They had already mentioned that they are examining the issue, and once they will get some better clarity on that, we will let you know.
Online question. Despite grounding of lights and lockdown, our doubling rate has not changed dramatically. In such circumstances, how feasible is it to still trace each contact of a positive case? Will be there no testing in general community like some states are doing?
So, as we discussed yesterday also, actually lockdown has yielded very positive results for the community. We started with a case doubling rate of 3.4, and as on today we have a case doubling rate of around 12, which means when the cases were doubling in 3.4 days, today we had case doubling at around 12 days. However, this momentum and this result has to be sustained, and parallel it is equally important that whatever positive cases are found, each and every contact has to be traced. With respect to the point which is being asked in terms of testing in the general community, so we had already been highlighting in earlier times also that while we take up testing as per the protocol, and within that protocol it is defined that in containment zone and otherwise we actually take up SARI and allied surveillance in facilities also, which throws a very valuable data in terms of understanding with respect to how the cases are happening and what additional steps need to be taken in terms of management.
Mr. Nilu Ranjan, Dainik Jagran.
सर ये जो केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, आप ये जो कह रहे थे कि राज्यों ने रिपोर्ट करना ज़्यादा किया है और ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं, तो ये सारी और ILI का जो रिपोर्ट है वो क्या संकेत कर रहा है? क्या कम्युनिटी की तरफ कहीं जा रहा है, नए केसेस वहाँ ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं?
सर जितने भी हमने जो इसके बारे में आपको पहले भी एक्सप्लेन किया था कि कहीं पर हमारे स्मॉल क्लस्टर्स हैं, तो जहाँ स्मॉल क्लस्टर्स है वहाँ पर आप ये पाते हैं कि एक से दूसरा केस बिल्कुल ऑटोमेटिकली आप लिंक कर सकते हैं और उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं। इसी तरीके से कुछ लिमिटेड एरियाज में यू विल ऑल्सो नोट कि हमारे लार्ज आउटब्रेक सिचुएशन हम बोलते हैं कि जहाँ पर मल्टीपल क्लस्टर्स हम पाते हैं। तो अगर उस तहत में देखें तो वी आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ मैनेजिंग द सिचुएशन एज ऑफ नाउ। हाउएवर, it is also to be understood that since this is an infectious disease, any laxity at field level in terms of management, any lack of cooperation in terms of social distancing and physical distancing will have its consequences.
Mr. Sahil, ANI. Here it is.
So my question is for Love sir. So what is the update on the central team deputed to 20 districts to assist the state health department, and what has been the feedback? Thank you.
So the central teams have been deputed. They are in all different stages in terms of reaching there, and they're already coordinating with the respective district in terms of understanding the trajectory of that district and also to suggest them what additional steps each district should be taking in terms of management efforts.
Avantika Ghosh, Indian Express.
So you just mentioned that 3.4 days was before lockdown, doubling time, now it's 12 days. I just looked up, before lockdown, on March 24th, your cases was 538. So how is going from 250 cases or maybe 300 cases to 600 cases in 3.4 days, how is it better than going from 23,000 to 46,000 in 12 days?
Ma'am, yesterday we talked about it. Actually, any infectious disease, it moves in a geometric progression. So, if you see that if you have your base of cases being lower, then automatically next day when you see the number of case increase will be lesser vis-a-vis the fact that after a few days when the number of cases have become bigger. So that is how infectious disease generally do get monitored. It is important to understand that we need to come to a level where day-to-day case increase should actually be not happening in a geometric progression. It should be happening, in such a manner where the number of cases do get added on a daily basis are lesser than that, and subsequently to a level where we can actually increase the doubling rate much higher so that case remains stable, and that is where we end up seeing a flattening of the curve.
Ashish, ABP News.
सर मुझे उसी कंटिन्यूएशन में पूछना है जो कुंदन ने आपसे पूछा कि क्या आपको लगता है बंगाल से केसेस कम रिपोर्ट किए जा रहे हैं, जो स्पाइक हमने देखा सडनली वहाँ पर डेथ के नंबर्स को लेकर के, और क्या ज़रूरी है कि वेस्ट बंगाल का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इसको लेकर के और ज़्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंट हो?
सर बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम सब लोग मिलकर इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज़ मैनेजमेंट के पार्ट में ये इंश्योर करें कि टाइमली रिपोर्टिंग को हम फॉलो करें, टाइमली रिपोर्टिंग को फॉलो करते हुए फील्ड एक्शन भी लें। और जैसे मैंने इससे पहले भी आपको बताया, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से कोऑर्डिनेट करके ये इंश्योर किया गया कि आइडेंटिफाई किया गया कि जो भी हमारी लेट रिपोर्टिंग हो उसको हम स्ट्रीमलाइन करें, और उसके तहत ही स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने एडिशनल केसेस को हमें रिपोर्ट भी किया है।
Last question, Kamal Sandhu.
So while rest of the countries are showing a downward trend now, India is showing one of the biggest spikes. And second, what do you attribute the biggest cause for rise in number of deaths of COVID-19?
Ma'am, actually today's whole discussion has been on the fact that in one or two locations larger cases of deaths have been reported. So that is primarily the reason why suddenly we found larger number of deaths. However, we all need to understand that vis-a-vis other parts of the country where, other parts of the world where suddenly larger number of cases were reported, India has actually through the process of lockdown and through our containment efforts had been ensuring that the cases do not increase. We are still following a similar trajectory. So when you will compare us with other parts of the world, you realize that their absolute number of cases would have probably little bit gone down, but India had maintained a similar trajectory of having lower number of cases. However, having said that, for us it is a day-to-day challenge in terms of ensuring that not only this trajectory is maintained, we should continue our efforts to lower down this trajectory and come to a level of saying that yes, we have been able to win this battle.
Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Please just don't translate. Please just wait. Anything else you want to add?
I didn't hear the question.
Okay. The cases of the doctors being reported. Yes, we have understood the question. We'll respond.
See, for us it is a great matter of concern. It is a great matter of concern that if any health professional get infected, and it is particularly important for all of us to ensure that we all collectively as healthcare professionals working in field take required precautions while dealing with cases. We had talked about it earlier. There are two sets of cases which we have found. One is while attending to medical duties, second is someone getting infected and in process being a professional, health professional, also got infected. For us, collectively we have been working with all the states, we have been working through AIMS, we have been working through our, again, technical agencies to ensure that everyone get oriented on proper use of PPEs, proper infection prevention measures, effective biomedical waste management, and as part of that exercise is when we mentioned to you today that we have come with respect to rational use of PPEs even in hospitals dealing with non-COVID patient is what we have tried to, through you, we want to bring to the notice of everyone that we have to ensure that we follow all the required guidelines with respect to infection prevention and management.
Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.